Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 and I'm gonna show you how to customize the app menu on this watch. So first let's open the app menu. To do it, wake up the screen, then press the crown button to open the app menu. And here we have the app menu and we can do a few things with it. We can basically remove the icons in the menu. So if you press and hold on one of the icons, you can then drag it to the place you want it to be in. You can also show the names of the apps by swiping down from the top of the menu. It will show you this prompt: hide app names and show app names. You can also zoom in and zoom out, I believe, with the crown, or rather zoom in is a strong word. Basically, if you go all the way up, it will show and hide the names of the app, or apps rather, and you can also change the style of the menu. You can change it to the list, so if you tap on this right here at the bottom, it will basically display the menu in the list format instead of hex grid. So select the one you like. You can change them by going all the way down to the bottom of the menu and then tapping on list or hex grid. Okay, and that's about all you can do with this menu. So, thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.